Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome to Mario Josh and Luigi Jojo. Today I'm a little bit tired because I'm quite tired. Today I'm going to be making a mini volcano. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so first what you want to do, oh yeah, I'm going to show you what you need first as well. So let's get the instructions. I made this up, but I need to pause it. So you need bicarbonate soda and vinegar. You may have seen in films, people making volcanoes as like the school project. And I managed to make it in real life. I've made a gun out of it. A working gun. So what you want to do, this has got some fart liquid in it, and I put a rotten egg in it. And once done that, you want to get your bicarbonate soda. Get some of that. I can't really get it. Oh. Gonna use the lid to put it in. Right, what do you ready that? I'm a bit quiet today because I'm just tired. This is where the good stuff happens. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Look at this. Explosion happens right before your eyes. Now if we just wait for that to die down, we can do it once again. I'll also play a replay on it.
Think it's safe when the lights go down and you least expect it. That's when we'll straight your bow. This is just the beginning. Take me more than a minute. I got something to prove. Same story, just different. Think it's safe when the lights go down and you least expect it. That's when we'll straight your bow. This is just the beginning. Take me more than a minute. I got something to prove. Same story, just different. Think it's safe when the lights go down and you least expect it. That's when we'll straight your bow. This is just the beginning. Take me more than a minute. I got something to prove. Same story, just different. Think it's safe when the lights go down and you least expect it. That's when we'll straight your bow. This is just the beginning. Take me more than a minute. I got something to prove. Same story, just different.
So here's how you make a gun out of it. So what you need, wait, is this. So you do the same thing. Add the vinegar quickly. Put your lid on, and it should pop off any second. The lid. I made a gun out of it. Just have to be patient. Ooh. Maybe two. It might happen again, so I'm just gonna. So yeah, that it's really cool. You can do it at home. You can do it with baking soda as well. If you ask your mum for, or your dad, or whoever you live with, for some baking soda, add vinegar to it. Boom. Everything you have to make a very working gun. The reason I'm not pointing my face is because I kind of want it to explode again. It's really cool. So yeah, that's how you do it, and I'm hoping we can get a last one before. Yeah, I was gonna do it then. Last one before the end of the video. Ooh. It makes me jump every time. I'm about to say something. Yeah. I hope you've been, like I was saying before, I got really interrupted. Yeah. The reason me and Jojo haven't been uploading that much is because, we just haven't had any video ideas. So if you want to comment below some video ideas, I'll try and pin a video up here that you can watch, I'm not sure. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this science experiment. I have more science experiments to start on. This book right here, all these science experiments. And, yeah, see you in the next video. Bye!